Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to this detailed tutorial on replacing the motor in your Dyson SV46 vacuum cleaner. Before we begin, make sure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a Torx screwdriver, and a soft brush for cleaning. Let's get started. First, unplug your Dyson SV46 from the power source. Safety is crucial, so ensure it's completely disconnected. Now, using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located on the back of the vacuum. This will allow us to access the motor compartment. Next, gently lift the back panel away from the main body. Be cautious, as there might be wires connected. If you're unsure about handling the wires, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help you. Once the back panel is removed, locate the motor. You will find it secured with several screws. Use your Torx screwdriver to remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place, you'll need them later. Now, gently disconnect the motor from the wiring harness. It's important to do this carefully to avoid damaging any connections. If you feel uncomfortable with this step, don't forget that we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making the process easier for you. After removing the old motor, take a moment to clean the area inside the vacuum. Use your soft brush to remove any dust and debris. This will not only help with the installation of the new motor but also improve the overall performance of your vacuum. Now, take your new motor and position it where the old motor was located. Secure it in place using the screws you removed earlier. Make sure it's tightly fitted but avoid over-tightening, which can cause damage. Next, reconnect the wiring harness to the new motor. Ensure all connections are secure. If you're in doubt about your skills, remember we offer a quote before repair to help you make the best decision. Once everything is in place, carefully reattach the back panel of the vacuum. Align it properly and secure it with the screws you previously removed. This will restore the vacuum's structure and ensure it operates effectively. Finally, plug your Dyson SV46 back into the power source and perform a quick test to ensure that the new motor is functioning correctly. If everything is working well, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the motor in your Dyson SV46. If you didn't feel comfortable doing this repair on your own, don't hesitate to reach out. We can assist you with professional service, ensuring your vacuum is back to optimal performance without any hassle. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.